Industries, Innovation and Infrastructure, a project by Group 6.
AI influences business. Commercial, established and big businesses are the reason for the development of artificial intelligence. Adopting AI-based solutions allows businesses to cut both cost and time. It also provides better services and products to the customers. Using AI is the key to staying ahead to the competitions for leading companies. Applications of AI. AI can be used in every step from the manufacturing the raw materials to transporting them. Here are few applications of AI in various industries: transportation, manufacturing, healthcare. AI transportation. Self-driving cars can sense its environment and its capability of moving without human interference. It can analyze traffic and alternative routes, thus reducing travel times.
AI manufactures. Robots work faster and complete tasks more efficiently than humans. They can work for long periods non-stop. By using 3D technology and machine vision, these machines can speed up the process of product manufacturing. AI in healthcare. Surgical robots, virtual nursing assistants, automated image diagnosis, and dosage error reduction have been some of the ways AI has been crucial for the technological advancements in the health sector. AI can entertain you. Machine learning can predict a user's behavior to make the recommendations on the type of movie, music, TV shows and other content he'll be interested in. AdWords can now be personalized based on the user's preference, thereby increasing the chances a marketer will make a sale.
AI in sports. AI technology like automation and predictive analysis can be used in business decisions, sponsorship activations, ticket sales, and determining athletes' performance. Artificial intelligence has changed everything, and sales is no exception. AI makes recommendations on our past behaviors and actions.
For example, when you order a pizza once and the next time you go to the same website, the AI algorithm suggests you to order the same pizza or any other type of pizza. Even when you go to online shopping, it can suggest you products from the brand that you like the most, thus increasing the sales of a company. AI can study large volumes of enterprise data. Thus, enterprise risk management professionals can use AI to predict the likelihood of incidents. They can also use AI to predict the financial loss occurring from such incidents, thus minimizing these risks and make faster business decisions based on outputs from cognitive technologies.
AI technology can increase the productivity of business by 40%. With the help of machine learning, Netflix managed to save $1 billion in 2017. When a company is using AI, 34% of the customers spend more money on their products and the services. AI's ability to function without human interference makes it the ideal technology for enhancing the efficiency of infrastructure management services. AI-defined infrastructure can help infrastructure management in various aspects, like detection of cybersecurity threats, prediction and prevention of failure, analyzing core reasons for failure, etc. Detection of cybersecurity. Sensitive data of millions of people in several countries were compromised due to ransomware attacks like WannaCry, etc. AI gives us hope that potential threats may be identified before they can do much damage. with its ability to study patterns of systems, networks, and devices. Due to limitations in analyzing information, humans are at times unable to reach the core reasons behind several problems. However, AI can analyze any amount of information with ease and can process it in highly quick time. Understanding of core reasons is vital as this information becomes the knowledge for the future generations.